Today is such a gorgeous day. As you can see, it's sunny day, and if it's sunny day in Ireland, it is fabulous day. Everyone loves sunny day. Can you hear that? The sound of the birds chirping. We used to come over here, myself and my boys, my kids. We come here, they play around, and they just have great times. That was pre-pandemic, and now we're still in pandemic, but we're allowed to go within our county. So today we are unboxing outdoor. I just can't stop saying that it's such a gorgeous day today. Anyhow, we are here to unbox the Insta360 ONE X2. Not only the Insta360 we're opening, I also purchased an extra lens cap, and I've got this invisible mic called shoe for my Rode mic, and there is this adapter as well. And along with the 360 camera, I've got this Insta360 invisible selfie stick. At that time when I bought this Insta360, they gave this selfie stick for free. And recently I've been into cycling with my kids, and I wanted to capture the front, the back, the sides. One of the reasons why people, especially a family, should get a 360 camera, you don't need to think about where you're shooting. You just have to kind of turn it on, make sure it's recording, and just point it. It's either forward, upwards, anywhere you want. And mind you, this is not a professional camera, but it's a fun camera, as you probably might have known by now. You know, I'm not trying to say that, yeah, you really should get it, but if you can, it would be nice to have something like this as part of your arsenals. We're just gonna open this USB connector, the adapter. It's good to know that this is actually teeny tiny, and it's light as well. We're gonna open this lens cap. It's not big as well. So the next would be the Insta360 selfie stick. Straighten it up like this. Okay, that's good. It measures about 1.2 meters. Now for the main event of today's unboxing. It's no other than the Insta360 ONE X. What's in the box? Most of our viewers, they're not subscribers, but you know, if you like adventure, like a family adventure, if you like Ireland, then why not subscribe and hit that notification bell, so that whenever we upload something like this or something like other stuff video wise, you'll be able to see. There's no harm. You don't have to pay to subscribe, and it's good. Thank you. Whoa, we'll see what's inside there. Would you look at that? That's the Insta360 ONE X2. What else comes with the package? That's the charger. It's a USB-C charger. Here comes the Insta360 ONE X. Can you see that? Wow, that's good. Right out of the box, it's got this cover protection. So two lenses, this and this. Right, the protection is coming off now. It's cool. Maybe I need to charge this. And as I said, you just turn it on, hit the record. There you go. It's been many times that I've been into this place, Cheekpoint. There's a kind of a walkway going down here. We'll check what's in here. I've never walked this way, downhill. Not sure if it's private or not, but it seems like it's for everyone. Let's see what's down here. Okay, which way now? That way? Or this way? Right. Maybe we'll go this way. One thing I like about Cheekpoint, coming here, walking, you know, enjoying the sceneries here, is that it's quiet. Not many people coming over, and you can enjoy it with yourself or with your family, and it's good. Oh, we don't want to go there. Don't want to get soaked, and maybe you won't be able to go up. Right, so we're gonna try to go this way. As you can see, there is a dock here. That's the beauty of Ireland. For you guys who are watching this, oh my goodness, this is a wreckage. We haven't been here for a while, and because of the pandemic, but I highly recommend that you come over and have a look. Now let me just show you more of the Cheekpoint. Sort of something about the Cheekpoint. Another stuff for the Cheekpoint. There used to be none of that signage. Used to be like really kind of raw, but it's amazing that 16 years, a lot has changed even here. A little bit deeper now. The tide is a little bit deeper. And what else can you see here? You'll get gorgeous photos here. And when you're facing this way, it's the sunset. When the sun is setting, just there, it is fantabulous. It is amazing view. The sun is up high at the moment, and all you see is this blue sky. Time we're gonna test this belt, how it works. It's brand new, and I haven't seen anyone testing this. Perhaps I wasn't looking much on YouTube. So anyhow, here's the test for this belt, the Insta360 belt. As you can see, I can readjust in whatever position or angle. I'd say it's 90-degree, like that, 90-degree up, and you can adjust this way but not this way. All right, somebody was being creative. when they saw the gym belt, they said, okay, we might as well try and do something out of it. Basically, it looks like that. So this is originally made for the cyclists, so when they're cycling. So we're gonna test this. Okay, I just turned on the 360 and let's see how it goes. Let's see how it looks like. Now you put it in the back like this, and the thing about this is that you will look like, but that's the way it would look like when you're out and about and you'd like to capture things without holding it. That's the way. So we're gonna go. We're gonna see the scenery here as we walk, and everything is captured by the 360 without you holding it. Hopefully the video will show how the surrounding looks like. Okay, now you can either put this at the back, like it's for the back, right? But we'll see how it performs when it's at the front of you. Looking silly, but that's the way. Okay, you ready? We're gonna walk this way. Like a fishing rod. This is like a fishing rod. Think about it. I'm gonna go this way. You can check out some of the stuff here. Now, you see? You can see everything. So this is the Insta360 stick, selfie stick. What about if you want it longer? There's no problem with that because I have another one, sticky one. Let's see how it performs. Okay. Now I'm starting to record this now and see how it goes. This long. Okay. So make sure you tighten this part and we'll see. OMG, it's a bit heavy. It's gonna be heavy. Just have to make sure that it's tight. Now let me see, let me walk. Hey, we are here walking on the dock without holding anything. This is like a drone video. So you can turn around and then how are we doing, guys? Something good? So you can either go this way or you can go like this, like a scenario. Oh, it's like falling. OMG,
so tall.
so it's so tall. Let's walk. Now, are we seeing everything? Are we seeing everything? Walking here. Looking at this boat. Oh, this boat has solar panel. Cool. I'm excited to see how the video goes or looks like. Wow. We are here, and you can turn around. OMG! See this? So that is the Insta360 ONE X on a selfie stick with an extension. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you enjoyed. We'll be shooting some more. See you next time. Thank you.